Hello guys, welcome to another video on HTML5 and CSS3, and we'll start in this video creating some animations in your web page. So in your style.css, just leave this selector and these properties, okay? Margin auto, border 2 pixel solid with the test.html is the same one. And let's check this out. Here, refresh. Okay, this is what you'll get. Now I'm gonna start animating this box. Okay, to do that, I'm gonna show you how you can, whenever you, I don't think you see my cursor of the mouse, but whenever you hover the mouse cursor in the box will change and will animate a little bit. And the first thing you have to type is main hover. A lot of you guys already know what this means. Hope so, because hover is a property very important in CSS. Basically, what do you want to do when you hover it? When you hover the main, in this case, which is the box. And what I want to do is WebKit transform, and now you type rotate, and parentheses. Inside the parentheses you type the degrees you want to rotate. Let's type 55 deg. Okay, now let's go back to the browser, refresh it. Now you'll see that whenever I hover it, it will turn into 55 degrees automatically. Okay, pretty cool, pretty awesome stuff. Now, pretty simple, but it's not really an animation because it's pretty lame, because pretty simple transformation. I'm going to show you how to really animate this. So to really animate this, we have to go in here and type WebKit. And now you type transition colon, and now what you will do is to type, firstly, the first value you have to give is what is the animation or the transition that you want to do. So we have to give this WebKit transform, which is the one animation that we want to grab. So type WebKit transform, and what we want to give this animation, or this second value that we want to give to the WebKit transform, is the time that we want the animation to have until it reaches to the rotation of 55 degrees in this case. So I want to give it, let's give it a 2-second semicolon, save, and let's go back to the browser, refresh, and now if you pass the cursor over it, there it is. Okay, awesome animation with HTML5 and CSS3. Okay, pretty awesome. It's pretty much like Flash animation. So as you can see, HTML5 and CSS3 will pretty much put the Flash into his knees with these kind of animations. It's pretty awesome. So this is just a simple example. You'll see later on the potential of animations that you will be able to do in your web page with HTML5 and CSS3. Pretty amazing. So let's proceed. Now I'm going to show you a pretty awesome animation right now, and you'll be blown away. And the first thing I want you guys to do is let me check, is to change the color. Let's change the color here to white, FFF, save it. Now the transition, let's leave it that way. Here let's type WebKit border, radius 10 pixels, so we'll have rounded corners, a little bit more futuristic. And now let's type here as well the width. Let's type 100 pixels. Let's give it a height here of 75 pixels. Background can be red, and basically that's it. Now down here in the transformation, let's change this and give the WebKit transform to seconds. Now I'm gonna give some more properties here, or values. Opacity 2 seconds, okay. Background 2 seconds, comma, and you have to separate always with a comma these values. The width 2 seconds, and the height, I forgot the comma, the height 2 seconds, okay. Now I think that is all. Okay, so as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different values or properties that we gave to the transition. Now the next thing we need is to change a few little things here. So here, instead of 55 degrees, let's type 360 degrees. So you'll get pretty much the idea when you see the results. It will rotate all by itself. Now opacity 1, let's give it a background let's give it a 1 EC 7 E6. The width, let's give it a 4500 pixel, and the height 110 pixels. Okay, now let me save this and fasten your seatbelts, because you'll see an awesome creation when you hover it with your mouse cursor. How awesome is this animation with HTML5 and CSS3? It's the first time I saw it, I was blown away by this. Okay, so imagine the possibilities and the potential of these kind of animations in your future web pages. You have a ton of possibilities with these kind of animations, and with all these properties that you have. So you can play a little bit more with these properties and see the results. This is just a simple thing you can do. You can do more complex stuff with animations with the WebKit transition and the WebKit transform. Okay, so this is all for this video. If you have any questions, just you already know, just post your questions in the comment section below, and see you guys later. Bye.